Everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. All right, you guys, today I got two items that I picked up at the mailbox. Super duper cute mail here, and let's just get right into that. And then I also do have my Splendies for this month. So before we do that, guys, I am wearing my Trixie Mattel lippy called Hot Date. That is this one here. It is so beautiful. It is a deep berry color with a little bit of gold glitter in it. And of course, it came with its own beautiful lippy purse, which I absolutely, I was hooked. I was all in. As soon as I saw that purse, I had to have it. So let's go ahead and open up Kiki's mail, and then we will do Splendies. Let's see. Just looking for, I don't know what I did with my letter opener because of course I don't know what I did with my letter opener. Y'all, I have a head cold. It's either that or it's allergies, and honestly it could be either because I take Zyrtec and it's helping. So I have pretty rip-roaring hay fever, and I have been out mowing, so that could be it. But honestly, I do feel a little under the weather. I think it's just a head cold. So if I sound congested, it's because I am. I just took a Zyrtec this morning. And then I mowed all day, so of course I stuffed right back up with all that cut grass. So here is, oh, Kiki, this is beautiful. Look at this. That's pretty. Goddess. Ooh. Hello, my friend. I wanted to send you a little note to tell you I love your videos. Oh, sweetheart, you are so kind. Thank you. It says, I feel like you are my friend, even though we haven't met. I suffer from a few chronic conditions that cause severe pain daily. Oh, sweetheart, I'm so sorry. That is absolutely the worst. Watching videos help me escape for a bit. Love your honesty and genuineness. I'm working on my own channel. You guys got to check out Kiki. She does have a channel. It's awesome. I will link it down below, you guys, in the description. So make sure you check out the description on the video, and you can click in and check out her channel, okay? Y'all inspire me so much. Make me laugh. Yeah, she's just something so sweet here. And I'm going to quick show you the stickers she sent. Y'all know I love me some stickers. I am a little bit crazy. This is really pretty. She made that. Pretty cutout of a goddess. Ooh. Oh, the alpaca is my spirit animal. Y'all know I love animals. Obviously, I'm a farm girl. Oh, this is pretty. So cute. Oh. It's a little saying about birds. Even birds have to start flying early. That's so cute. And then we have a little mason jar with a little sunflower in it. Wow, you guys, I am so stuffed up. That happened while I was mowing. This is really pretty. Look at that. I'm trying to figure out what the best way to hold this is. I think like that. Then a little squiggly, actually kind of, it's like waves, you know, like waves in the ocean. You are awesome. Y'all are so awesome. Y'all are so amazing. Oh, I love this little guy. He's so cute. Little one-eyed monster with his little, he's got his little, I think it's a box of the laptop. He's got a little pencil. That's cute. Then it says, life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale. That is awesome. I love that. So thank you, Kiki. Y'all, please give Kiki a chance to earn your subscription, okay? After you watch this video, if you could check out her channel and check out a couple of her videos, and maybe you can join her channel and YouTube family. That'd be great. So let's go ahead and get into my month of Splendies. So I picked these up today. I went running this morning with my friend. I was not nearly this congested this morning. Honestly, y'all, it is, I think it's about 5 o'clock on Saturday. I literally was out mowing for probably 6 hours today, and I am so stuffed up. So I tend to think this is more allergy related than a head cold, but hey, I don't know. I'm trying to get it open, y'all. I think I'm doing a pretty bad job of it. All right. So it does come in a cardboard little envelope, which I think is wonderful, very sustainable. This is what it looks like. Very nicely done. Let's see what I got. I'll leave all the information as far as the Splendies monthly subscription down below in the description on this video, guys. If you are interested, it is obviously a panty subscription. It's like $15 a month and you get 3 pairs of panties. So let's see what I got. They're looking pretty cute so far. I'm going to give you a quick peek here. Alrighty. Little placer in there. These, this is pretty. This is a very pretty, like, lavender violet color. I did go up a size, you guys, because honestly, so what was happening is I was washing them, wearing them, washing them, wearing them, and I felt like they were shrinking. Now, I'm not on a diet and I'm not trying to gain weight, and I don't feel like I've gained much weight. If anything, you know, I feel like I'm holding steady. It kind of felt like they were, you know, being probably very cottony. Kind of felt like they were getting a little shrinky in the dryer. So I did go up a size, and now they feel very generously sized. So who knows? I may have to go back down, but these are the first pair, and they're very pretty. The side is super cute, right? With a little just a cute design, right? There we go. Little crisscross there. They do have the cotton panty. And y'all, we all talk about there's this little like false pocket here. Can I just like interrupt this video to tell you guys? I have this bad habit of scrolling through TikTok when I can't fall asleep at night. And I found this video that specifically is talking about the cotton crotch liner and the false pocket in here. And it was obviously, it was, you know, meant to be funny. And it was some guy like, why is there a pocket in your underwear? And this lady goes on and she's like, well, we tuck in this, the tampon string gets tucked in there, and then we keep our spare money in there. And then we also keep like some spare change and then our lipstick in. And she was just being completely ridiculous, but it was really funny. I was like, okay. But those are cute. I do like the look of these. And I should show you a little bit more close up. It's really stretchy and a nice like ribbing to it. So nice stretchy material, cute lace top, just a little lace embellishment at top. So I think those are really cute. The next pair is slightly more plain, although it does have some lace to it on the back, more or less, a little on the front. These are pretty cute, pretty blue color. Look at the lace on the back, y'all. Very cute little crisscross. Little racy, a little see-through on the back, but not horrid. So pretty cute. Little lace along the edging. Of course, we've got the cotton panel. So that's nice as well. These look really nice. I don't see anything that like has me too upset. I mean, that's not great because you guys, honestly, these lace things start to unravel. I do see that. So I'm not real thrilled to see that. Hopefully y'all can see that in the video. All right. And the final one, these are very pretty like flowers. These look smaller than the last set of pairs, so I think that's a little weird, but they're cute. They're a little see-through for me. Y'all, I'm looking through and can see my cell phone camera looking through the underwear. Yeah. Hi, guys. So, these are extra large. All right. Let's see. They do have the cotton panel in the crotch, which is good. Very nice stretch to them. Very stretchy material. That's good. So what do y'all think? I don't know. I'm not really into like florals, but it doesn't bother me. I do prefer dark colors. And if they're not going to be dark colors, I do prefer one color. And so this is fine. And I do like that purple one. The first pair, I think this is really pretty. I don't know whether this is going to be really annoying or not, but you can probably trim those off if they bother you. But I think these are really pretty. So I'm curious to see, y'all. I'm going to you remember last month we had that problem where I lined them all up on one edge and the sizing was just completely like ridiculous. And I know they're like, well, it depends on the cut of the panty, the waist, you know, we could have different waist. I'm sorry. When I go look for pants, my pants are waist in length. Like, I get it if you're getting like a low-rise pant or something, it might be a little different, but then you're getting a different like waist size. Like, let's say I'm a 32 waist. It doesn't mean that they could bring out, you know, unless say a cut is different, that they're going to bring a 34 out and tell me that a 34 is 34, you guys. It's a measurement. Anyway, I wasn't buying it. Let's see. Where are we at here on these? Yeah, we're off a little bit on the sizing. You know, once again, honestly, the sizing's off on the side on a couple of these. The largest ones look like they're going to be the blue pair, and I'm trying not to drop them, and all I'm doing is dropping them. So let's compare the purple and the light blue, and then we'll compare, I don't know, like the light blue and the dark blue maybe. So pretty well lined up here on this one edge. They're off. Not much, not a ton, and not enough that I would be really excited about, right? But obviously that light blue pair looks to be a little bigger. So I'm going to use that and compare it with this light, or this kind of dark blue floral one. And again, it's really important to get these seams lined up on the one edge. Oh yeah, we are way off again, you guys. Look at that. Tags are in the way, but honestly, it's significant. Let me line that edge up since the tags are being really annoying. So I'll line the tag end up so that those don't get in the way. Make sure they're really, really nicely. So look at that, you guys. You see, like, we're off, you know, like, if this is a 1/2 inch and that equates to both sides, we're off quite a bit on sizing. So to me, that is really, really odd, and probably one of the reasons why, like I said, I was going to bump up a size, because I was like, why are some of these feeling so small? Well, you know, when they come and they're that different in the box or the bag, and you line them up and they're, you know, that far off, that's a lot. So I don't know what to tell you, you guys. Asking the company, they just tell you it's the cut. So I don't know. I still like them, you guys. 3 pairs of panties for $15 shipped. To me, it seems like a pretty good deal. I hate underwear shopping. Honestly, I hate it. I hate it with a passion. I hate going to the store. You're digging through like these bins of underwear that everybody's touching, and you're having to try to find your size in the cut and the color, and it just drives me crazy. I don't like it. So I've really been enjoying this. Been getting rid of old underwear, replacing it with new. I don't know how long I'll keep these subscriptions going, but I really do like the newer underwear. And honestly, when you get stuff that's like super see-through, I don't expect these are going to last forever, just because, you know, they're not a high quality, like thicker underwear cloth. So I may keep the subscription a little bit longer, judging by whether these last or not. So let me know what you guys think down below. I also get Heaven Panty, so make sure you check that video out as well. They do come a little different times in the month, but I do have a playlist for both Splendies, Heaven Panty. It's a panty subscription playlist. If you click on my playlist tabs, you can go to that. You can watch a number of the videos on both of these and tell me what you think. I'd love to hear it, you guys. So apologies, I'm super nasally. Like I said, I feel like I got a little bit of head cold, but I was out mowing, and honestly, the whole 6 hours of mowing, I got completely plugged up. So, hello, hay fever. 'Tis the season. We're away from the snow and into the hay and grass, and we finally have leaves on our trees, and the flowers are blooming, so it's a wonderful thing. So, I love spring. I really do. Hope you guys are enjoying it. I really do. It's that rebirth of the planet when everything comes alive after a long winter, and it just, the birds are, you know, out singing. All the wild animals are having babies and are, you know, it's beautiful outside. I love it. Even though, like I said, the hay fever gets to be a little annoying, but that's all right. I can handle it. I'll stick some more Zyrtec and deal with it. All right, guys, let me know what you think of this lippy. Like I said, it's from Trixie Mattel Cosmetics. It's the new line, his breakup collection, and this one again is called Hot Date. That is what I'm wearing right now. I wanted to put it on. It's that beautiful berry color, and it has just a little bit of gold, like shimmery sparkles in there, and I think it's so pretty. So, all right, guys, have a great one. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.